Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty, refreshing, multi-fruity juice the easiest way. This juice is a combination of pineapple, banana, oranges, lemon and passion fruits. Like this juice, it's super tasty. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do, so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So on today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 large pineapple, 2 medium bananas, 6 passion fruits, some sugar optional depending on how sweet your fruits will be, 1 lemon, and lastly 2 oranges. So our first step, will start by cutting all the fruits. I'll start by cutting the pineapple. Cut the top crown, then afterwards peel the pineapple as you can see in the video. Once you're done peeling the outer skin of pineapple, you're going to divide the pineapple into 4, then afterwards cut them into small pieces. The next step, you're going to take your 2 bananas, peel the outer skin, then afterwards slice them into pieces. Then you're going to take your lemon and the 2 oranges and cut them into 2. Lastly, you're going to take your passion fruits and cut them into 2 as you can see in the video. Then using a spoon, you're going to remove the fruits out from the shell and place them in a medium small bowl. And our fruits are ready as you can see in the video, and it's high time to blend them to make an amazing refreshing juice. The next step, you're going to take your blender and add the pieces of pineapple and bananas and pour approximately 1 cup of water, then cover the blender to blend for approximately 1 to 2 minutes until nicely blended. Once your pineapple and the bananas are nicely blended like this, pour in a medium large bowl. The next step, you're going to add the passion fruits into the blender and pour approximately ½ a cup of water. Then cover the blender to blend for approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once you have blended all the fruits, you're going to need a large bowl like this and a sieve. Using a sieve, I'm going to sieve the mixture of banana and pineapples into a large bowl as you can see in the video. After sieving the mixture of banana and pineapple, the next step, you're going to sieve our passion fruit juice. Take a medium bowl and sieve the passion fruit separately before mixing it with the banana and pineapple juice to avoid the black seeds from entering into the juice. After sieving the passion fruits, then afterwards you're going to pour approximately 1 cup of water into the passion fruits. After sieving the passion fruit separately, using the same sieve, you're going to sieve the passion fruit juice into the mixture of pineapple and banana. Lastly, I'm going to squeeze my 2 oranges and lemon into a bowl. Using a sieve and an orange squeezer, I'm going to squeeze my 2 oranges and lemon into a bowl. So personally, I prefer using a sieve when squeezing my oranges and lemon so that the seeds and the white large particles cannot enter into my juice. And once you're done, you're going to pour the lemon orange juice into the large bowl. Then afterward, you're going to stir the juice very well. At this point, you're going to test if you'll need more sugar or not, depending on how sweet your fruit will be. So personally, I added 3 tablespoons of sugar because my fruits were sweet, and I'm going to stir my juice once more. Lastly, I'm going to sieve my juice once more. You can also sieve your juice thrice or once, that's up to you, and your juice is ready. And my multi-fruit juice is ready, as you can see in the video. Fill the juice into a jug or bottles and store it in the fridge, or you can add some ice cubes and drink it immediately. And our tasty, refreshing, multi-fruity juice is ready, as you can see in the video. Like, look how thick and tasty this juice looks. If you're going to try out this recipe, please kindly tag me on my Instagram account, Rukia's Kitchen. Thank you for watching my video and hope you enjoy this recipe. If you'd like to see other recipes on how to make different types of fresh juice, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukia's Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.